A metal and stone-coated steel roof looks great, but what's underneath is actually what protects your home. A metal roof is only as good as what's installed under it. A lot of roofs look the same from the street, but they're built very differently underneath. Metal roofs perform differently than shingles, and it starts with the underlayment. This is a traditional synthetic underlayment that is under shingle. This is your standard peel and stick that you will also find under shingle roofs. And this is your high temp peel and stick found under metal roofs. Metal roofs can push to over 200 degrees on your roof deck. Standard peel and sticks break down at those temperatures and loses its bond over time. High temp peel and stick is built to handle that heat and won't fail over time. Basic underlayments will tear apart with that kind of movement. High temp peel and stick flexes with the metal, holds its seal, and won't pull apart. Because it bonds directly to the deck, every screw we install seals tight around the fastener. That means real protection underneath and not just a layer shedding water. Most metal systems require a high temp underlayment to keep the warranty valid. Use the wrong product and you can lose that coverage completely. High temp peel and stick is not an upgrade. It's what makes stone-coated steel and metal roofs actually work. A lot of roofs look the same from the street, but they're built very differently underneath. This is what separates a roof from lasting decades to one that's gonna fail early.